In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a calendar in a Confluence page step by step. Whether you want to track team events, manage deadlines, or keep everyone aligned on important dates, this simple guide will walk you through everything you need to know to get it done smoothly. First, log into your Confluence account. Once you're inside, look at the left-hand panel and select the space where you want to create your calendar. This ensures the calendar is linked to the correct team or project, so make sure you choose the right space before moving forward. Next, you'll need to create a calendar. Go ahead and select the calendar option, then click on Add New. When prompted, type in a name for your calendar and click on the Create button. This will generate a new calendar that you can start using right away. If you want to add events, you can do that now. Click on Add Event, enter a title for the event, and choose the start and end dates. Once everything looks correct, save the event. You can repeat this process to add more events whenever needed. Now that your calendar and events are ready, it's time to add the calendar to a Confluence page. Go to an existing page or create a new page where you want the calendar to appear. Once inside the page editor, type a / and then type calendar. From the options that appear, select Team Calendars. A panel will open on the right side. In the calendar field, type the name of the calendar you just created and select it from the list. Here, you can also customize how the calendar is displayed. You can choose between month, week, list, or timeline view, and even adjust the width and height to fit your page layout perfectly. Once everything is set, your calendar will appear directly on the page, showing all the events you've added. This makes it easy for your team to view schedules and stay organized without leaving Confluence. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully created and added a calendar to a Confluence page. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more useful tutorials.